Hello guys. Hello guys. Is my voice is audible? Is my voice is audible? Hello guys. Is my voice is audible? Shall we start? Shall we start? Is there any disturbance? Is there any? One second, please. Wait. Okay, I hope now it is pretty good. Okay. Okay, fine. We shall move to the part which we left from the last lecture. Okay. I hope the motion in a straight line is one such an important topic for both NEET as well as JEE examination. Got it? For both NEET as well as JEE, the motion in a straight line is a very important chapter. Okay, guys. So now we are going to see about the theoretical as well as the practical part of the problem solving. Okay, so fine. Let's move to the next part. So this is nothing but uh, DOS. DOS is nothing but. I hope you have all seen the movie Leo movie. Okay, so the character name is DOS. So it's a trending name. So by the way, I have chosen this name to be the session of my part. So DOS is nothing but daily sum solving. So this is the DOS batch. Okay, so it is dedicatedly moving on for class 12 students for chapter 5. And by the way, for the students who are meticulously preparing for TNPSC, SSC, and also some other further examinations, whoever preparing, it must be very helpful for them to achieve their goal. Okay, so this is my uh, the explanation of DOS. Okay, so by the way, we can move for the problem numerical parts. Okay, so I hope it is very useful for you to cope up with our this journey. So let's start. Okay, so shall we start? Shall we start? Shall we start? Shall we move upon? Okay, so by the way, we can move with the problem. So now we are going to see the important problems of motion in a straight line. Okay, so we shall start from this problem. Okay, so the timer is moving on. You can easily start up to answer this question. A body moves 6 meter north, 8 meter east, and 10 meter vertically upwards. What is its resultant displacement from initial position? So let's guys try this question. The four options nothing but option A, option B, C, D. So you can easily try for this question. Okay, you can easily try. Give your answers option A, option B, option C, option D. Only 30 seconds is allotted for this question. Okay, only 30 seconds. So let's try to answer. Let's try to answer. Let's try to answer. Okay, time is going on. Okay, we shall start how to solve this question. Okay, so guys, let's listen. Here they have given a body is moving 6 meter north. Okay, 6 meter north, 8 meter east, 10 meter vertically upwards. So by the way, uh, these are the keywords to demonstrate the displacement. Okay, so here the displacement we can easily choose the word or the normal notation to the displacement is nothing but r vector. So we can easily choose for that. So we can easily allot it for each axis, coordinate axis. So here 6 meter north, 8 meter east, 10 meter vertically upwards. Before moving to that, we can easily put a compass here. Okay, so here east, west, north, as well as the south. Okay, east, west, north, south. So now we can allot it for each of the uh, magnitude that they have given. So 8 meter east, 6 meter north, 10 meter vertically upwards. So we can easily allot 8 I cap because here the x-axis is involved. Okay, and 6 meter north. 6 meter north means 6 j cap and 10 meter vertically upwards, 10 k cap. That's all. Okay, so here there are three dimensions have been involved. Okay, three dimensions have been involved. So let's choose with this like this. Okay, here x, y, as well as z. So by the way, east is here 8 meter because 8 meter east. North is here 6 meter, so 6 meter north, and z is vertically upwards. It is 10 meter. So absolutely, the application of Pythagoras theorem is behind here. Okay, so we can easily check for that. So here 6, here 8, here 6, here root of 8 square plus 6 square, that is nothing but what? Root 100. Root 100 is nothing but 10. Okay, so here it is absolutely 10. So for that purpose only we are choosing this. Okay, so guys, let's listen another thing. So by choosing this, they are asking only for the resultant displacement from initial position. So from initial position means it's this point. Okay, origin O 0 comma 0 comma 0. Got it? So this is known as origin. So by the way, we need to find the distance formula. We can easily apply over it. Okay, let's do. Okay, fine. I will erase now, or I can move over to the next slide. Okay, so I can copy from for this expression. I will copy this expression to the next slide. Okay, or vector is equal to 8 I cap plus 6 j cap as well as the plus 10 k cap. Okay, let's listen. So they are asking only the position, the displacement, resultant displacement from initial position. Okay, so that is nothing but origin 0 comma 0 comma 0. That's all. So let's listen. Let's try to understand what I'm keeping to demonstrate. So here they are asking the resultant displacement. So we can easily demonstrate 8 minus 0 the whole square plus 6 minus 0 the whole square plus 10 minus 0 the whole square. Got it? So here 8 square plus 6 square plus 10 square, that is nothing but 64 plus 6 plus 100. Got it? So this is the way. So 64 plus 36. Okay. So it is absolutely 200. So 100 is a perfect square. So it comes out as 10. So 10 root 2 meter. I hope guys you understand. The option is option A, 10 root 2 meter. And there is a easy way to demonstrate this problem. It's not a big tough problem. Okay, so whenever they have given the data like this, the three quantities, the three quantities with the direction, I mean the three scalars with the direction, one is east, north, or vertically upwards, we can simply choose them as S vector or R vector. Nothing, it's not a big problem. So we can easily choose anything to the any direction. Okay, even you can choose a 6 I cap plus 8 j cap plus 10 k cap. It's not a problem because The final question they are asking only for the resultant displacement from the initial position only. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind what the data they have been asking. So how to proceed and how to save the time in respect to the examination hall. Okay, so here they have asked only from initial position. So you can easily consider the initial position as 0 comma 0 comma 0. So it's very easy. So just you can proceed with root of 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square. So it's absolutely the formula is nothing but x square plus root of x square plus y square plus z square. This is the formula. Okay. I hope guys you can easily understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. You can easily try to understand what I'm trying to say. It's very easy concept. Okay. So let's try to move the next part. Okay. Fine. I hope you can understand this question. So we can move to the next. So let's try to see another problem. It's very similar to this one, close to this. Okay, okay. This question an athlete completes. Okay, the timer is going on. Only 30 seconds is allotted for this question. You can easily answer. Option A, B, C, D. Let's guys. Please try to put your options over here. Okay, please try to put your options over here. Wait for a few minutes, I will be there, but I will expect your answers, please. So, what's the answer? I hope, guys, you are being trying. What's the answer? What's the answer? Let's try. Option A, B, C, D. See, the time is keeping on going. Okay, so let's try to answer this question. Okay, fine. So, we can easily solve this question. So, it's not a big one. So it's very easy problem. Okay. So what the data they have been given? An athlete completes one round of a circle. Got it? An athlete completes one round of a circle of track of radius or in 40 seconds. Okay. Let's consider this circular track. Okay. This is a circular track that they have given. So he took only one round nearly 40 seconds. So the radius of circular track is r. So here the time took is 40 seconds. Okay, fine. It's nice. What will be the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? So he just asked what is the displacement. Okay. So for this question, you must be well aware with what is distance and displacement. So well, you know about the difference between the distance as well as the displacement. Got it? So what's the difference? The distance is a scalar quantity as well as the displacement is a vector quantity. Let's consider A as well as B. Here, if we took some path, it's a distance. If we took a shortest path with a direction, it's known as displacement. Got it? I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say. So that's the way we need to proceed this question. Okay. So it's very important how to proceed this question. Here we need to note the word displacement. Okay, guys. So this must be very, very important. Okay. Now they have asked what is the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. So just we need to see the time only. So 2 minutes 20 seconds. Okay. So let's try to express the 2 minutes in terms of seconds. So how many seconds in 1 minute? 60 seconds. In 2 minutes, 120 seconds. And here 20 seconds. Got it? 120 seconds as well as the 20 seconds. So totally 140 seconds is here. Okay. Here totally 140 seconds. Got it? So I hope you can easily understand. So now try to express this 140 seconds in terms of t. Okay, so there is a trick behind this question, so only I'm trying to explain again and again. So now try to express this 140 seconds in terms of t. So it's very, very easy. So let's try how many 40 is lie in between within 140. I hope nearly 340s is there. Okay, so 340 means 120 plus 20, that is known as 3 into 40 plus 20. Got it? Let's try. Here the 40 is nothing but t. So 3t plus 20. Okay. 3t plus 20. Got it, guys? I hope you can easily understand what I'm trying to say. It's nothing but 3t plus 20. Now try to compare what is this 20 in terms of t. That's nothing but 3t plus t by 2. Got it? 3t plus 3 by 2. That's all. So it's, I hope you can easily understand. It's nothing but 3t plus t by 2. Got it? Okay, fine. Is there any doubts? You can now erase. Now you can easily erase to me. Is there any doubts? Now you can ask. Till this part, do you have any more doubts? Do you have any more doubts till this part? Okay, fine. Let's try. So now let's analyze. The time taken is 3t plus t by 2. So for this 40 seconds, the entire circle is covered. So for this 3t plus t by 2, how much the displacement is covered, that they have been asked. Okay. So let's move to the next slide. Again, I consider this case. So this is the entire circle. T is equal to 40 seconds. Okay. So it took for one revolution. One revolution. So now let's consider the same circular track, but here the time taken is nothing but 3t plus t by 2. Got it? So let's consider here the 3t is complete. Let's consider the starting point to be A. Okay? Here let's consider the starting point to be A. Got it? So let's move from this point. Okay? Let's move from this point. Got it? So this is for one revolution and it is only for one time. Here that is for three times. So again second time as well as the third time. That's okay. Now he asked extra half time is the okay. Now just consider this is A means for t the entire circle is gone. For t by 2 only the half of the circle is gone. Got it? Only the half of the circle. Okay. Now you can analyze what's the question that they have been asked. Here they have asked only the displacement. Okay. Now you need to look over here. Here the distance is nothing but this curved part. But the displacement is nothing but this shortest part. Let's try which covers more distance, whether this curved part or this linear path. Here, the linear path only the shortest path. So the shortest path is known as the displacement. Got it? Okay, I hope you can easily understand. But this curved part is nothing but distance. Okay, this curved part is nothing but distance. The shortest path is displacement and the curved part is distance. So they have only asked for the displacement. Just look over this circle. Here the displacement is nothing but here only. So let's try here the center lies in the circle. According to the circle, this line is known as the diameter. Diameter means, I hope it's a 2 times of radius. Got it? I hope you can easily understand. So the answer is option B, 2 times of radius. Okay, 2 times of radius. I hope you can easily understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, fine. Next, we can move to the second part, the third question. Let's try. Only 30 seconds is allotted for you. You can easily try this question. I throw the question to you. You can easily try to answer. It's not a big, tough problem. Just now, I have been teaching only the basic fundamental problems. Whoever can easily learn physics. That's my main objective. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Let's see. Let's see. What's the question that I have given? A bus stops after traveling 3 kilometers towards east. Okay, 3 kilometers towards east and 4 kilometers towards north. Okay, fine. For this type of question, whenever they have given the direction name as east, west, north, south, east, west, north, south, we need to be very, very aware what they have been trying to say. By picturizing, by sketching this diagram, you can easily answer. No need to think over lots and lots of things. Okay. So just see what they have been given. Here 3 kilometers towards east. So 3 is towards the east and 4 is towards the north. Okay. So they have given only, they have asked only the resultant displacement. So let's see, this is not the displacement. I hope you can easily understand what this triangle is. Hypotenuse, this is the right angle triangle. So hypotenuse is only you need to find. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, okay, Pythagoras theorem, you can easily find. So let's see A, B, C. So BC square, which is equal to AB square plus AC square. Got it? So here the A is the common point. Got it? So we can easily just plug the value in place of AB as well as in place of AC. So the 4 square plus 3 square is nothing but 16 plus 9. That's the word absolute 25. So we can you can easily take the square root of 25, something but 5 kilometer. Got it? So option C is what? Got it? I hope you can easily understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, fine. Let's see. Let's move to the next problem. Yeah, only 30 seconds is for you. You can easily solve this question. Come on, let's the countdown starts. The countdown starts. Okay, let's try to answer what the question is this. Okay, if the displacement of the particle is zero, then what can you say about the distance covered by? Okay, let's see. Here the displacement of the particle is zero. Okay, let's analyze the situation. Analyze the situation. A and B are two locations. Okay, A and B are two locations. Let's consider A is your house, B is your friend's house. Okay, you are planning to make a trip to, or you are planning to go to your friend's house. Based upon a situation, some situation arises. Okay, let's consider situation. So there are some other places like temple, shop, market, lots and lots of places, and you are planning only to go to your friend's house B. So by the way, you move to the temple, shop, market, then finally move to the friend's house. So it's up to nearly on 10 kilometer approximately. It took to reach to your friend's house. It took nearly 10 kilometer. Okay. By the way, if you choose a shortest path, it's only about 6 kilometers. So this is known as displacement. But why I am choosing this path? It's an efficient because it involves a particular direction, specific direction, as well as the magnitude. So if you finish your work in a efficient, in a short way, you can approach a displacement method. But if you want to approach a distance, a large time, a time consuming, you can easily move to the distance. So here they have asked only the displacement covered by the particle is zero. Got it? Displacement covered by the particle is zero. Then what can we say about the distance? So that's only they have asked. So suppose the displacement is zero means what's the distance? That's the question. Okay. So now we came to the conclusion that this shortest path is known as displacement. So it's about 6 kilometer. When it will become 0 kilometer, can you say A to B is about 6 kilometer? When can you say the displacement is 0 kilometer? Then we can say the displacement is 0 kilometer only when A as well as B located in the same point. At that point only we can easily say it's the displacement. Here the displacement is zero. That's the only thing. So if the displacement is zero means absolutely distance is also zero. How? How is it possible? Yes. Let's see this picture. This is an entire picture that I am trying to sketching out this situation. Got it? When the displacement is zero, entirely, surely, distance is also zero. This is another such an example to explain this criteria. Got it? Fine. Let's move to the next problem. Got it? Okay, fine. The countdown starts from now. Let's try to solve this question. Option A, B, C, D is the. You can easily type the options over here. You can easily solve this question. Come on, guys, quick, quick, quick. Let's try to solve this question. Whether option A or option B or option C or option D, please try to answer. Okay, fine. Let's try. What's the question that they have given? The location of the particle has changed. What can you say about the distance and displacement covered by the particle? The location of the particle has changed means what can you say about the distance and displacement of the particle? Okay, fine. Let's see. So let's consider the situation. One point is A, another point is B. So here the distance between A and B is nothing but 6 kilometer. So it is a distance. Okay. Displacement is about 3 kilometer. Okay. So this is displacement. This is distance. This is displacement. Got it? So this is situation between A and B. Okay. Let's try another situation. If we interchange this position, here B as well as here A. So let's try. Now also the distance is nothing but 6 kilometer as well as the displacement is nothing but 3 kilometer. Got it? Here the distance is nothing but 6 kilometer as well as the displacement is 3 kilometer. There is no such a change. Okay. Now you can see what's the options that they have given. Let's try to proceed from the last option because it's an easier one to proceed. What the options that don't match this question? So you can easily approach the option elimination method. Okay, OEM. That's the easy way to tackle You can easily pass over this type of statement type as well as simple conceptual practical questions. So let's try to eliminate from option, last option. One is positive, other is negative. Got it? They have given one is positive, other is negative. So that's not possible. We can't easily predict whether it is positive or negative. So one is positive, one is negative means they have chosen distance is positive or displacement is positive. So if they have clearly mentioned here instead of one they have put distance is positive and other instead of displacement is negative. So they didn't mention anything. One is positive, other is negative means they have indirectly mentioned what the thing. We don't know. We can't able to conclude whether one is positive means whether it is distance or displacement. We don't know. Other is negative means whether it's a distance or displacement. We don't know. Let's try another situation. Here the distance and displacement. Here the distance is a scalar quantity as well as the displacement is a vector quantity. Got it? So the scalar quantity can't be negative. Got it? So here the distance can't be negative. So how can we choose here the displacement to be the negative? So the word other is the major problem to this option. Here the one is also the major to this option because it indirectly mentions. Suppose they have given distance is positive or displacement is negative, yeah, we can easily agree with this problem with this option. Okay, so this is indirectly mentioned, so it is not appropriate, it's an inappropriate option. Got it? So let's move to the third option. C. Both may be zero. How can we say both may be zero? Because they have told location of the particle has been changed. The location of the particle has been changed means definitely the distance has something. If the distance has something means definitely the displacement also have some quantity other than zero. So we can't say here the both may be zero. It's absolutely wrong. Let's try to option second option. One may be zero. There is no such a possible. Let's arrive with option C. We are told once the distance is something value, surely displacement also some value. Here one is nothing but what does it mentions? One is nothing but what? Whether it's a distance or displacement, it's it's an unclear explanation option. So this is also not. Let's move to the first option. Neither can be zero. So we can consider this. Neither can be zero means displacement not equal to zero, distance not equal to zero. So we consider this option A. So this must be the clear-cut option, clear-cut answer to this question. Got it? So let's try to move to the next problem. Okay guys, let's try this problem. I will now on the time. So only 30 seconds is allotted for this problem. You can easily solve over this. So only 10 seconds is left over this guys. Please try to answer. Only 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, fine. It's over. Let's try to answer. What the data that they have given. So it's nearly similar question that we have previously saw. Okay, so a man goes 10 meter towards north, 20 meter towards east. What's the total length of the displacement? Got it? So let's try here that they have given the option, I mean the clue words of directions. So let's try to demonstrate a compass over here. So here east, west, north as well as the south. So by these clue words, we can easily demonstrate what the unit vector that they have derived for this. So just took over here, here only 20 meter towards east, the 20 meter is here, and only 10 meter towards north, 10 meter is here. The total length of the displacement. Okay, fine. So let's find A, B as well as C. So let's try to find the hypotenuse only behind here. So we can absolutely use the Pythagoras theorem over here. We can easily demonstrate. So here BC square is nothing but 10 square plus 20 square. So it's nearly 500. So BC square is 500 means BC, which is equal to root 500. That's nothing but 10 root 5. So there is no option for 10 root 5. So we don't come to the conclusion I have done this sum entirely wrong. This is a mistake that they have, silly mistake that they have done. You need to look over some more thing depth from this answer. The value of root 5, because root 5 is an irrational number, it's not a perfect square number. The value of root 5 is equal to 2.236. The 2.236 into 10 means 22.36. So 6 is more than 5. You can easily round off figures. So 22.4 meter. I hope the option is A. Got it? Okay, guys. I hope you can easily understand this type of question. Okay, fine. I will now on the timer. Only 30 seconds is for you. Please try to answer whether it is A or B or C or D. That is A or B or C or D. Let's try to answer, guys. Let's try to answer whether it is A or B or C or D. Only 10 seconds, only 15 seconds left for you. Okay? Only 15 seconds left for you. Okay, fine. Let's try to solve what the data that they have given. Okay. A body moves over one fourth of a circular arc in a circle of radius r. The magnitude of the distance traveled and displacement will be respectively. So that they have given a word respectively. So the first in before of comma it represents the distance, and after the comma it represents the displacement. Previous to the comma, this is a distance and this is displacement. Distance, displacement, distance, displacement, distance, displacement. So this is the word respectively has the more important role in this type of question. So you need to be very very aware. Okay, let's try what the data that they have given. A body moves over a one fourth of a circular arc. Okay, let's try. This is circular arc. Okay, so one fourth means it's about a one piece quadrant. Okay, only this part. Let's took this part. It's a quadrant circle. Got it? It's a quadrant circle. Nearly a right angle is made here. Okay, let's try. Here the radius is r. Here also the radius is r. They have asked the magnitude of the displacement, distance traveled, and the displacement will be. So let's try to find the distance. It's very easier for us if you are familiar with the mathematics. So here the circle traverses over 0 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, again to the 360 degree. It's a 2 pi, and here the distance is r. So the circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. I hope you can easily understand what I'm trying to say. 2 pi r, but it's for these four segments, but I'm trying only for only one out of four segments. So 2 pi r divided by 4 will be the exact distance traveled by this part, I mean the first quadrant. So you can easily cancel out the 2 and 4 here. You can obtain the pi r by 2. Okay, this is the displace, this is the distance it travels. Let's try to find out the displacement. Now you can easily eliminate this option. There is no option D because here pi r we have obtained only pi r by 2. Here pi r only pi r by 2. So option no option C. Here pi r by 2. Here pi r by 4. No option B. Only option A pi r by 2. But we try to know how the displacement arrives here also. Not just for option elimination, we need to know how to find the displacement also. So let's try to find this. Let's consider this segment here. You can easily join this diametrically extreme points. Diametrically extreme points means in quadrant circle, the top corner to the bottom corner. That's known as diametrically extreme points. So now you can easily obtain a right angle triangle over here. So here or means here you can easily obtain over, yeah, r square plus root of r square plus r square 2r square. So root of 2r square is nothing but root 2r. Got it? Got it? So that's nothing but r root 2. Whatever it's possible. So for that only you can easily obtain here. The option is r root 2. I hope you can easily understand. So the options thing but pi r by 2 is a distance, r root 2 is a displacement. Got it? Fine. Okay, guys, let's try to move to the next problem. Okay, let's try. The timer is going to on. It's about 20 seconds left. It's about only 20 seconds left. It's only about 20 seconds going to left. 10 seconds going to left. 10 seconds going to left. Okay, let's start how to solve. Here, the situation that they have given, an aeroplane flies 400 meter towards the north. So now they have given only the keyword, the direction keyword, east, west, north, south. Got it? East, west, north, south. Got it? So this is the way that they have given. Now just array what the further data that they have given. Here 400 meter towards north. Okay, fine. 300 meter towards west. Okay, fine. And vertically upwards 1200 meter. Okay, fine. So what they have finally demonstrate, what they finally implies to ask is nothing but its displacement from the initial position. So the same question that we have seen at the at the beginning of the session. So it's nothing but you can easily denote the displacement to be s vector or r vector. The formula is nothing but x square plus y square plus r z square. X square plus y square plus z square. So you can easily consider what to be the x 300, y to be 400, z to be 1200. So let's try here, because here west is nothing but the x-axis, north is nothing but the y-axis, vertically upwards nothing but z-axis. Got it? So let's try to see here 300 square again, 400 square again, 1200 square. Got it? So let's try to finish this problem. You can easily move over to the next problem. So 300 square means just see 9 0 0 0. Got it? Next 160000. Got it? I hope it is correct. I think so. And again 144,000. Got it? I hope four zeros. Fine. Let's try 00000. 9 plus 25, 25 plus 169. So for 169 it is 13. For 40 it is only double zero. Got it? I hope guys you can easily understand what's the square root principle is begin over here. So I'm just solving the numericals. That's my part. Okay, fine. So the question thing, but the displacement from the initial position is 1300. And suppose if they ask, okay, if they ask the distance, the total distance between the total difference between total distance as well as total displacement. Okay, if they ask a question, difference between total distance and total displacement, how can you arrive? That's the question that they have asked. So you can easily arrive over this question. How to calculate the total distance? Now you have calculated the total displacement. So now if they ask a question, please find a total distance. How to arrive? Gee, I can't. How? It's very tough. It's very easy. That they give a data like a laddu, like a halwa in your hands. You can easily swallow, and you can easily swallow this halwa, lad, and sweets. That like the data that they have given in your hand. The total distance find is very easy to find. The total distance is very easy. Yeah, the 400 meter, 300 meter, 1200 meter, the summation of these values results in total distance. Total distance is nothing but 400, 300, as well as the 1200. So let's find how much this counting to 700. So it's near to 1000, exactly 1900. So now try to find the difference between the total distance as well as total displacement. 1900 minus 1300. It's exactly 600. If they ask such a question, got it? That I'm trying to say. If they ask such a question, let's try to find the total distance, total difference between total distance as well total displacement. You can easily move over like this. Or otherwise, they have asked a question, displacement from the initial position means you can just stop over, hit this part. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you can easily understand. Let's try to move another problem. Okay, let's see what's the problem that they have given. Let the timer will starts. Only 30 seconds. Okay, only 30 seconds. Okay, it's going to end only 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's stop. Okay, let's see what's the data that they have given in the question. If a car covers a 2 by 5 of the total distance with v1 speed and 3 by 5 of the total distance with v2 speed, then find the average speed. Okay, average speed is nothing but the average of two speeds. Got it? Average of two speeds is nothing but average speed. So it's a simple definition. So how can we arrive? How can we arrive? Let's see. What's the formula of simple average? Average, I mean, what's the formula of simple velocity? Displacement by time. Likewise, average means total displacement by total time. That's all. This is known as average velocity. Got it? Okay, fine. Let's see. They have given a situation. If a car covers 2 by 5 of the total distance, okay? Let's consider this to be the total distance. The total distance to be total distance, okay? Total distance means here this entire distance from starting point A and the ending point B. Got it? Starting point is A and the ending point is B. So let's try to analyze what's the part that they have given. Okay, here only 2 by 5th part. So let's try to split it out into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is 2 by 5th part. Okay, again, this covers only with V1 speed. Got it? V1 speed. And 3 by 5th part. So up to this part, it covers V2. Okay, it covers V2. So they have asked only the average speed. So how can we arrive? So we can easily move over to the another problem, another formula. Here the total displacement doesn't got affected because it remains same. But here the time may varies. Okay. So how can we arrive the time formula from this? So we can easily arrive the time formula from this. So time which is equal to displacement by velocity. Okay, time is displacement by velocity. For this v1 part, for this v1 part here, the time is nothing but t1. That's nothing but how much? Yes, that is 2s. Got it? 2s by 5, 1 by v1. Here the s is nothing but 2s by 5. Here the v is nothing but 1 by v1. So again 2s by 5 v1. Got it? 2s by 5 v1. Hi, hi, ckp gamer. Namaskar, namaskar, namaskar. So for your people only, i'm I have changed my language to the English. I hope my English is good to understand for yourself and your people. Whether it is easy to understand, I hope it's very easy. Got it? What's about CKP? Please share the link to your friend circle and your school friends. Whether it is easy to understand, it's a simple English only, not say British English or American English. Okay, Nimrit Marathe. It's very easy to understand. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Whether my voice is very clear, the decibel is okay. Is there any change in frequency? Whether the uniform frequency is maintained, decibel is okay. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Please share your. Are you from Chennai, sir? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm from Chennai. I'm from Chennai. I'm from Chennai. I hope you guys are meticulously preparing for JEE exam or NEET exam. Which exam, JEE or NEET? Which exam you are preparing for? I'm from Mumbai. Good, good, good. You are from Mumbai? NEET J. Very nice, very nice. It's very nice to hear because I'm in Tamil Nadu. You are from Marathi. Got it? CKP, you are from which side? CKP, you are from which state? You are from which state? Odisha. Nice, nice, nice. See how the technology unites us. Got it? How the technology unites us. You are from Odisha and another person in Mumbai. I am from Tamil Nadu. Within a single simultaneous way, the technology unites us. Okay, fine. So let's try. My name is Chandan. Sir, you teach very good. Thank you. Thank you, Namrit. Nirmit. The words from your heart, not from your mouth. It's from your heart. It's very nice to hear. This makes me to pave the way for to high excellence level of teaching and to improve my pedagogical way, how to spread my ideas over the entire Indian students. You are preparing to aim and entering into the uh, stepping into the stone of in gateway to aims as well as to the IIT. IITs, you are trying to reach the gate of IIT as entrance gate of IIT as well as the aims or AFMC, whatever the top medical colleges that you are aiming for. Got it? Okay. Okay, guys, let's try. Shall we continue from the part that we have left? Sir, I love South Indian culture, food, and everything. Okay, fine, 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 fine. Thank you, Nandamit. Okay, shall we start? Shall we start? From which part that we have left? Are you listening my lectures or you are from the in between only? Sir, you are doing government job? No, 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 no. I'm a freelancer. I'm a freelancer. I'm a freelancer of all. I do my interest. I'm just doing whatever I may like in terms of knowledge. That's the way. In terms of teaching, in terms of etc. Okay, shall we start? Okay, guys, let's see how to proceed to the next this problem. Okay, so now we need to arrive what's the time took for this velocity is nothing but 2s by 5v1, and next we but your teaching skill is very good. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, thank you. Now we need to find time taken for the second part of the velocity t2. Got it? T2. Sir, you are teaching with love from Kerala. Thank you, Danu. Thank you. Thank you, Danu. Thank you. So now we need to find how the part covers. It's only 3 by 5. Okay. So here we can easily observe 3s by 5. Here 1 by v2. So now it is nearly 3s by 5v2. Got it? Thank you, Danu. Please share our channel. How about this timing, guys? I'm so eager to know uh, whether the timing is suitable for yourself. It's very suitable, it's very comfortable to learning the night lectures. I usually love this type of lectures in my school days, during my college days. I usually watch over the NPTEL lectures in this time of this timing only. So it gives us a mild, a pleasant feeling. How about you? It's suitable for yourself. It's okay whether this timing is convenient for you. Which timing is convenient for you, because I want more number of students to participate in this type of lecture. How about the other students may feel whether they feel comfortable to learn to listen lectures in these timings, or they usually prefers only in day timings, because in day, oh, 9 p.m. is convenient for, yes, yes. So that's the survey I need to take. So what's I want to take a poll over the community page, how the timing is, what's the timing suitable for everyone. But the vote rating is very very low. Even if the vote rating equals to zero, I only usually put a vote on my own poll. So I can't able to understand what's the timing that students usually listen this type of lectures, because in this type of timing they usually go to the bed, so want to go and get up, wake up early morning, go to the next school no tomorrow. So that's the thing that only I'm asking. Okay, 9 p.m. is convenient for you. For what about Nirmit, and what about Danu? What about Nirmit and what about Danu? It's convenient. I mean, I'm just asking the survey only. Now, I'm not put exact to the 9 p.m. Approximately, I took the average over all timings. Anytime, sir. Okay, okay. Danu, do you know Tamil? Do you know Tamil, Danu? Only Kerala? You are only know one language, Malayalam, or you can easily conversate with Tamil language also. Okay. Yeah, little bit. Okay, fine, fine. Manaslai, Manaslai. Okay, fine. Okay, so 2s by 5v1, 3s by 5v2. Okay, fine. Let's see. Um, Now you can easily took this v1 and v2. Okay, okay, fine. Let's see. I hope from this part, do you have any doubt? Till this part, do you have any doubt? If any doubt, you can easily ask me. You can easily throw a question to me. I can easily answer. From this part, do you have any doubts? Any doubts till this part? Because I want to move to the second slide. The space is not enough for me. Can I move to the second slide? I hope. Do you have any doubts? Explain once. Okay, fine. Let's see. The question that they have given is nothing but if a car covers 2 by 5 of the total distance. Okay. Here, let's consider starting point to be A and the ending point to be B. Fine. So here we need to find how much part. Here they have given only 2/5 part. The 2/5 part of the total distance with v1 speed and balance 3/5 of the part with v2 speed. So here 2/5 means first division, second division till second division. It's only about the speed v1 and till the third division from the first origin it's about 3 by 5. Got it? Any doubts? I'm just explaining the question only. Any doubts? Is there any doubts? So this is the question that they have given. Now we need to find the average velocity. Got it? I hope you know about the simple velocity formula, normal velocity formula, displacement divided by time. Got it? Here the S is nothing but the displacement, but your NCRT books or your Maharashtra State Board books that they have given or to the displacement, whatever may be, here I have considered the S to the displacement to the time taken. That's the ratio for velocity. For average velocity means you need to find the total displacement over total time. So this is the formula. Got it? Guys, any doubts? Any doubts over here? Any more doubts? You can easily ask Danu, CKP, Nirmit, or any other persons, whoever in the live chat. You can easily arise the doubts to me. Any more doubts? Okay, fine. Thank you for the reply, CKP. Fine. Let's find. Here we need to find total displacement. Here, the displacement doesn't affect anything. Here, the displacement doesn't get affected because it doesn't play a vital role in this question. Only the time will affect because for 3/5 of the distance some amount of time will taken. For 2/5 of the total distance some amount of time will taken. Got it? So here the time get changes but the displacement remains same. So for that purpose I need to find what the time taken to cover the velocity v1. So that is known as t1. What the time taken to covers the velocity v2, that is t2. So here I need to find another formula from this formula, that is time is equal to displacement by velocity. So for v1 the time is t1, for v2 the time is t2. For just that purpose I just choose this. Here the s is for this v1, here the s is 2s by 5 and by v is nothing but 1 by v1. So 2s by 5 v1. And similarly for v2, 3s by 5 and 1 by v2 is the velocity for v2. So 3s by 5 v2. Any more doubts? I hope my image is behind this. Got it? Here it is 3s by 5 v2. Got it? For this. Got it? Any more doubts? Any more doubts? Chandan? Chandan, any more doubts? Thank you. Okay, guys, another any other please? Okay, fine. I hope entirely you got crystal clear. I hope. Okay, fine. Now we need to find the average speed. Okay, here it's nothing but the average speed is nothing but total displacement over total time. Total displacement over total time. So how can we find? So just replace this time only. Okay. We need to add this two time over here. Just replace this. Okay. So just I move to the next slide. So V average is nothing but S total divided by time total. Got it? S total divided by time total. Okay. Let's see. S total divided by time total. Here the time, here the S total remains same, and here the time total, let's see, 2s by 5v1, 3s by 5v1, got it? 2s by 5v1 as well as 3s by 5v1. Okay, fine. Let's see how to proceed. I hope now you can easily proceed what's the remaining to be. Okay, here yes total is nothing but only yes. Okay, let's consider only to be the yes. Now you can easily find the LCM over here. Here you can easily find um, here v2. Okay, here v2. Okay, let's see how to proceed over from this part. So the LCM is nothing but 5 v1 v2, and here 2s, the v2 cross over here and v1 cross over here, 2s v2 as well as 3s v1, 3s v1. My mother is calling me, excuse me. No worries, no worries, you can take a part. Okay, now move over this reciprocal to the top. Okay, fine. Now here s into 5 v1 v2, and here s will come out 2 v2 plus 3 v1. Yes, yes, cancel. So 5 v1 v2 over 2 v2 plus 3 v1. Got it? I hope this must be the answer. Any more doubts? Any more doubts, guys? If any doubts, you can ask me. Any more doubts? Agilan. Hi, Agilan. Hi. Tamila? Tamil தானே? அகிலன் தமிழ் தானே நீங்க? தமிழா, ஹிந்தியா, இங்கிலீஷா, மராத்தியா? தமிழா? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா அகிலன்? இதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்னை பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? அகிலன்ற நேம் நிறைய பேர் நான் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். அகிலன்ற நேம் நிறைய பேர் நான் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன். பட் எந்த அகிலன் எனக்கு தெரியல. அதான் உங்கள்கிட்ட கேட்குறேன். ஓ, நம்ம அகிலனா? ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே, சென்னை. ஓகே, ஃபைன் ஃபைன் ஃபைன். ஓகேப்பா, ஓகே ஓகே, ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் சர்க்கிள் எல்லாருக்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணி விடுங்க. ஓகேவா? ஒரு தட்டி விடுங்க. ஓகே, ஃபைன். Okay guys, let's see how to see how. I hope you understand this type of question. Okay, 5v1 v2 by 2 v2 plus 3 v1. So the option is nothing but option D. What about guys? Chandan, Danu, Agilan? I hope Agilan you can easily understand my lectures because of other people from other state. Sir, can you apply on any education institutions like Silent cause because you are the best and truthful teacher I have seen. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I will in future in future I will open a separate institution like a edutech platform in my own. I have a dream like that only. Okay, I don't want to be the uh, I have just a dream. So and for that I'm not underestimate any of the institutes. They are my role models only. Got it? They are my role model. You need to go high, right? Yes, sure, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Yes, yes, yes. Can you again, is there any trouble to understand my English? Can you easily cope up with my English? Is there any trouble, or you just got any smile over that? Because in our lectures I usually speak only Tamil language, but in terms of Subham Devar, yeah, good evening Shubham, good evening, good evening, good evening. Sorry, good night, good night, good night, guys, good night, good night. Okay, 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 guys. Shall we move to the next problem? Shall we move to the next problem? Again, is there any? How about the Chennai right now? How about the Chennai right now? Is there any problem? How the climate weather problem? How about, is there not come to the normal condition or not? Fine. Okay. 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 Shall we move to this next problem? I hope. Okay. Fine. 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 I hope for this week I can meet on Chennai. I will meet on Chennai, right? We will meet on Chennai. Yes. Correct. For this week. Am I right? Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, guys, let's move to the next problem. I will now on the timer for 30 seconds only. Let's try to put the options only. So it's not mandatory to put the correct options. Let's try to attempt whatever you can easily grasp this point. Okay, only 30 seconds is allotted for you. Just put the options around. Got it? That's the way you can uh, gain your confidence. You can just put the options over there, whether it's A or B or C or D, whatever maybe. Let's try to put the options. Come on, guys. Come on, come on. Let's try to put the options. Come on, come on. Let's try to put the options over there. Come on, guys. Quick, quick, quick. Again, what happened? Let's try. What Danu? See, whether it's right or wrong. Shubham, let's try, guys. B, very good, very good, very good. ஒரு ஃபயர் அப் போடு, ஃபயர் அப் போடு. ஓகே ஃபைன். சி தப்போ ரைட்டோ அகிலன்னு ட்ரை பண்ணிடணும், புரியுதா? நம்ம பாலிசி என்னைக்குமே அதுதான். நீ தப்பா பண்றியோ ரைட்டா பண்றியோ கரெக்டா ஆப்ஷனை மட்டும் என்னவோ அதை ட்ரை பண்ணிடு. ஓகே காய்ஸ், வாட் அபவுட் தனு? வாட் அபவுட் தனு? I hope some of the guys left for I'm again and again asking question over this. Okay, whatever maybe, I want to complete my task for this day. That's satisfied to that's satisfied for me to have a deep sleep. Okay, okay, fine. Let's try. What the question that they have asked here? Okay, so again, be an answer. Okay, fine. So Agilan or Danu or Shubham, whoever may be here. So from today onwards, I will put a separate English lecture for your people, your kind of people, because yesterday and day before, some of the students from Indonesia and also from France, Philippines, so from other countries, watching my live lectures. So I'm just unbelievable. I'm just on the above the earth. I can't able to imagine what is going on. You guys, I'm so happy and it's unbelievable for me to how these guys are entering into my channel. So because of you guys only, it's the dream comes true because you guys only. That's the only thing I need to uh, uh, propose this time here. Okay, this is the way you guys spending a lot of time, you the people that they have subscribed and the link that you have shared to the other people. So these are the ways the link got connected to this one part. So for that purpose only, so some of the students got trouble to understand my own language, Tamil, but the official language is English only. No, so whatever the people from different part, they can easily understand the common language, English only over here. So for that purpose only, I will put a separate lecture in English language. Okay, in English language, I will put from today onwards a separate lecture for other state students and also for other country students whoever meticulously preparing for JEE as well as the NEET examination, and you are dedicatedly watching our channel. That's the way. Okay, so I decided So this must be the new year resolution for me. So for new year, it's about few days only to reach over the new year. So why to choose the resolution only on new year? We can choose the resolution advance to the new year. So this is to be the advanced resolution for me to have and to spread my knowledge, to spread the seeds of my knowledge to all over the world, and in future it will grow as a tree. Got it? I hope, guys, you will do for me, you will help for me to share my channel. Got it? I hope you will do for me. Sure? If sure, puts a thumbs up. If sure, puts a thumbs up. If sure, puts a thumbs up. Got it? If sure, puts a thumbs up. ஓகே ஃபைன். நன்றி அகிலன். அகிலனுக்கு நன்றி. அகிலன் எப்பொழுதுமே நீங்க நல்லா இருப்பீங்க. ஓகே ஃபைன். இப்போ சாரி, by speaking to my own language, my own locality, the Tamil is sticking to my tongue. So it's very, it's unchangeable. It's a static. It's not a dynamic. So English may be the dynamic, other language may be dynamic, but Tamil is my own mother language. It's a static to me. Okay, fine. Let's try this problem. Let's see. A car is moving on a straight road. Got it? The same case that we just seen before. This problem is also the same. A car is moving on a straight road covers one third. So let's try, guys. Here in previous problem they have given in terms of fraction. Okay, in terms of fraction. So in terms of words you can easily analyze what's the word that they given. Here it is the 2/5. Okay, it's a 2/5. But thank you, Agilan. Thank you. Nandri, Nandri, Nandri. And for this part, here they have given only one third. One third means you can easily analyze into the fractional part, that is 1 by 3. Got it? So this paves the way to demonstrate a diagram. Let's analyze. Here the starting point to be the A and the ending point to the B. And here let's see. You can easily divide into the three parts. Three parts. So for this emerges me to divide the path into three parts because they have given only three in terms of one in terms of three, whatever may be. Okay, so it covers a car is moving on a straight road, covers one third of a certain distance in 20 km per hour. Okay, 20 km per hour. Okay, fine, and the rest 60 km per hour. Okay, 60 km per hour. I hope, guys, you understand this question. Got it? I hope you understand this type of question. Is there any more doubts? Is there any more doubts? Now they have asked only the average speed. So compared to the previous problem, this problem is also similar to the same. Got it? Okay, fine. So let's try. V average is nothing but total displacement divided by total time. Got it? So just choose here the displacement to be the S, and for time is nothing but the time formula is S by V. Okay, that's all. Just replace over here T1 plus T2. So let's find what is T1 and what is T2. The T1 is nothing but what's the T1? T1 here 20 km per hour. So by the way, here the distance is S by 3 only. Here S by 3, and here what is here 2S by 3. Got it? 2S by 3. I hope you understand. So here S by 3, okay, S by 3 into V is 20, so 1 by 20. So by the way, T2 is nothing but 2S by 3 into 1 by 60. I hope you can easily understand, guys. So just replace over here. Got it? S over S by 60. Sorry. Or otherwise, for in case of LCM, you need to take, it's very, very easy. Just put up in a split up form. Okay, 2s over 3 into 60. Got it, guys? Is there any more doubts over here? Is there any more doubts? I hope there is no more doubts. If any more doubts, you can ask. Danu, Shubham, Chandan, is there any more doubts? Is there any more doubts? Please, 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 you can erase me. Or any other persons over here. Please, if you have any more doubts, you can erase. Okay. So till this part, there is no more doubts. So I move over to the second part, second slide, because there is no more space is available for my handwriting. Okay. Okay, fine. So just now for this part only I will copy to the next. Okay, Agilan. புரியுது எனக்கு. Next பேர்லாம். Okay. So just took over here s over s by 3 into 20 plus 2s by 3 into 60. Got it? Just choose over here s divided by s by, so how to took over here? So just you can took 60, and so just you can take one thing. Okay, s over s by 1 into 60. So it must be very very easy for you to do the numerical calculation. I hope I am expert in tricks. Okay, I am not expert in math, I'm expert in tricks. Thank you, cricket buddies. Thank you. Come on, come on. Please, let's join. Let's join from this quiz part. Okay. I hope from cricket buddies, I will make you a sentence squarer by Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar, whoever put a six in the matches. Got it? So 60 over here. So 3 into 60 only the LCM over here. I go here the 60 into S over mm, 60, no, not 60, only 3, yes, and here only 2, yes. Got it? I hope my calculation is right. Is there any more mistakes? Let's try. Let's try. Here 5 years, here 3 into 60. Got it? 3 into 60. So just put over here, it moves over to the top. So 3 into 60 is 180. 180 yes over 5s. Tomorrow 12th TN students have language exam teams. நீங்க தமிழாப்பா? கிரிக்கெட் பட்டீஸ் நீங்க தமிழா? தமிழ் நீங்க தமிழ் லாங்குவேஜா? Got it? So yes yes over cancel. ஓகேப்பா, நல்லா பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, செய்யுள் நல்லா படிச்சுட்டு போங்க. ஓகே. So guys, please wait. My locality people is over on the chat. So I want to conversate him with the Tamil, my own language. Okay, cricket buddies, கொஞ்ச நாள் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. பங்க்சுவேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே தெளிவாக படிச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகேங்களா? தமிழ் எக்ஸாமுக்கு நீங்கள் அந்த ஒவ்வொரு செய்யுளுக்கும் அந்த பங்க்சுவேஷன் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதை கொஞ்சம் தெளிவாக பார்த்துக்கோங்க. திருக்குறள் வச்சு வரக்கூடிய நெடுவினா நல்லா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே, அது எல்லாமே ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு சில பகுதிகள், அது நல்லா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. ஸோ உரைநடை நீங்கள் எந்த அளவுக்கு முக்கியத்துவம் கொடுக்குறீங்களோ துணைப்பாடத்துக்கும் முக்கியத்துவம் கொடுங்க. ஏன்னா அது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு பகுதி. இலக்கணம், துணைப்பாடம் எல்லாத்துக்குமே என்ன பண்ணுங்க, ஒரு முக்கியத்துவம் கொடுங்க. ஓகேங்களா? ஏன்னா அது நீங்கள் படித்தா மட்டும்தான் உங்களால் கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியாக ஸ்கோர் அப் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, இந்த பகுபத உறுப்பிலக்கணம் அதை மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் நல்லா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. இலக்கண குறிப்பு, அந்த உடல் மேல் உயிர் வந்து ஒன்றுவது இயல்பு, மவ்வீறு ஒற்றழிந்து உயிரிரு ஒப்பாகும், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சில இதெல்லாமே உண்டு, அதை நல்லா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. அலகிடுதல் உண்டா உங்களுக்கு தமிழ்ல? அலகிடுதல், அந்த அலகிடுதல் வாய்ப்பாடுகள் எதுவும் உண்டா உங்களுக்கு? கிரிக்கெட்டு இருக்கீங்களா இல்லையா? போயிட்டீங்களா? நான் பேசுறது புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? சரி, என்ன சார் சொல்றீங்க, ஒண்ணுமே புரிய மாட்டீங்க சார். எஸ் சார், இட் மீன்ஸ் எ லாட். ஓகே, அதை கொஞ்சம் நல்லா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ என்னால் முடிஞ்ச ஹெல்ப் உங்களுக்கு நான் கொடுக்குறேன். நம்மளோட மேக்ஸ் ஜிக்னு ஒரு சேனல் இருக்கு இல்லையா, தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? மேக்ஸ் ஜிக் சேனல் தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? நீங்கள் ஹோமில் போய் பாருங்கள், நம்மளுடைய சேனல் பேஜில் ஹோமில் போய் பாருங்கள். அதில் அகில நீங்கள் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? நம்மளுடைய ஹோம் பேஜில் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? நம்மளுடைய சேனலுடைய ஹோம் பேஜில் கீழே போய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவர் ஃபேமிலி, மேக்ஸ்ஜிக் 2 3 சேனல் இருக்கும் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? 2 3 சேனல் நான் போட்டு வச்சுருப்பேன். அதை பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? 2 3 சேனல் போட்டு வச்சுருப்பேன். அதை பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? ஓகே ஃபைன். ஒரு சின்ன ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியுமா? அந்த சேனலோட லிங்க்கை மட்டும் இதில் போட்டு விட்ருங்க. மேக்ஸ்ஜிக் சேனல் இருக்கு இல்லையா? அந்த சேனலோட லிங்க்கை மட்டும் எஸ் எஸ் கரெக்ட் கரெக்ட் கரெக்ட். ஒரு சின்ன ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்க. மேக்ஸ்ஜிக் சேனலோட லிங்க்கை மட்டும் இதில் காப்பி பண்ணி போட்டுருங்க. ஓகே? சேட் பாக்ஸில் போட்டுருங்க. ஒரு சின்ன ஹெல்ப்பாக இருக்கட்டும். ஓகேவாப்பா? கிரிக்கெட்டு அதை மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஓகே? வேற எதுவும் டவுட் இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு? எதுவும் என்னால் முடிஞ்ச ஹெல்ப் நான் பண்ணுறேன். வேற எதுவும் டவுட் வச்சுருக்கீங்களா? கிரிக்கெட்டு வேற எதுவும் டவுட் வச்சுருக்கீங்களா? ஓகே அகிலன், அது என்னன்னு தெரில. அது ஷோன்னு வருது. ஓகே ஃபைன், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. அந்த லிங்க் ப்ளூ கலரில் வர மாட்டேங்குது. ஓகே, ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை. பிரச்சனை இல்லை, பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஓகே, நோ ப்ராப்ளம். ஓகே, பை தி வே நம்ம ஷால் வி மூவ் டு தி ப்ராப்ளம்? ஓகே கிரிக்கெட், நம்ம பார்க்கலாம் என்ன. நம்ம நான் இந்த வேற ஒரு சம்ஸ் நான் டீல் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறேன். நான் அதை பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, வி ஷால் சி ஆன் மேக்ஸ் எக்ஸாம். அந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸாம்ஸ்லாம் நம்ம மீட் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேவா? நான் ஒரு 1 டே லைவ் போடலான்னு இருக்கிறேன். ஒரு 24 ஹவர்ஸ் லைவ் போடலான்னு எனக்கு ஒரு ஐடியாவும் இருக்குது. பட் பார்க்கலாம், அதுக்கான சூழ்நிலைகள் எப்படி அமையுதுன்றதை நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். ஓகே ஓகே ஃபைன். ஐ ஹோப் guys, some other guys are there. Some other guys are there. Some other guys are there. Danu is present here. Danu, are you here? Danu, Subham, Chandan. Danu, Chandan. I hope some guys left over here. I hope some guys left over here. Okay, no worries. No worries. We can move to the part of the problem. So the answer is nothing but 36 kilometer per hour. Okay, I hope guys you can easily understand 36 kilometer per hour. Okay, okay fine. The option is C. Okay, 36 kilometer per hour. I hope you can understand my language. Fine. Let's see how to approach this question. I will now on the timer. Only 30 seconds is left. Let's try, let's try, let's try. Okay, 30 seconds is left for you. Only 20 seconds is left for you. Come on, come on. Option A, ya, B, ya, C, ya, D, ya. Come on, please, please, please. Come on, come on, come on, come on. A or B or C or D. Okay, fine. The time is going to end. Okay, fine. Let's see how to approach. Here, a car travels. Got it? A car travels first half of a distance. So now we need to see here the clue word is over here. We need to observe the word only. We need to plug the word and we need to convert into the numerical fractional part. Whether it's a integral or fractional, it doesn't matter. We need to convert the verbal part into numerical part. That is known as half. Got it? That's known as half. Got it? I hope you can understand my language. See, let's see. So here they have given first half of the distance between two places. So here A as well as B. the first half of the distance. So here took only 30 kilometer per hour and second half to the 50 kilometer per hour. Got it? 30 kilometer per hour as well as 50 kilometer per hour. They have asked the average speed of the car for the whole journey. Whole journey. How can we find? The same thing only. Here the displacement doesn't change. Only the time get affected. So the average is nothing but okay displacement over time. What what is total time? That is t1 plus t2. So we can directly approach yes over here as well as t1 means that's nothing but first half. Got it? So here yes by 2 first half is 30 and here yes by 2 because second half is also there 50. That's all. Got it? I hope you can understand. So let's try here. Okay. So here yes over here and let's try here yes by 2 to commonly outside or otherwise just we can took the LCM. It's very easy for to proceed. Okay. So here the LCM is thing but 2 into 30 into 50. Got it? 2 into 30 into 50. So here S into 50 plus S into 30. Right. Correct. Fine. Now you can move over to the top. Here S into 2 into 30 into 50. And the bottom you can took S over outside 50 plus 30. Got it? I hope now the part comes to the end. So here 30 into 50, 80, sorry, 1500, 1500 into 2, 1500 into 2, 3000, 3000 yes over 3000 yes over 80 yes. So yes, yes cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 300 over 8. Okay, 300 over 8 is nothing but that is 7.5. Got it, guys? That is 7.5. I hope the option is C over here, right? Is there any more doubts, guys? Whoever who are listening, is there any more doubts? If you reply quickly, I can move to the second I can move to the next problem. அகிலன் தூங்கலையா நீங்க? அகிலன் எப்போ தூங்குவீங்க? எப்போ தூங்குவீங்க அகிலன்? எப்போ தூங்குவீங்க? இவ்வளவு நேரம் முடிச்சிருக்கீங்களே எப்போ தூங்குவீங்க? எக்ஸாம்ஸ்லாம் முடிஞ்சிருச்சா உங்களுக்கு? ஓ அப்போ எக்ஸாம் இருக்குதா உங்களுக்கு? என்ன எக்ஸாம்? என்னெல்லாம் முடிஞ்சிருக்கு உங்களுக்கு? என்ன எக்ஸாம்ஸ்லாம் முடிஞ்சிருக்கு? ஏஐனா ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸா? ஓ சூப்பர் சூப்பர் சூப்பர். அதெல்லாம் வச்சிருக்காங்களா உங்க சிலபஸ்ல? ஃபைன் ஃபைன். சர்ச் அல்காரிதம்லாம் இருக்குதா? சர்ச் அல்காரிதம், சூப்பர்வைஸ்ட், அன்சூப்பர்வைஸ்ட் லேர்னிங் எல்லாமே இருக்குதா? மிஷின் லேர்னிங், அந்த சூப்பர்வைஸ்ட், அன்சூப்பர்வைஸ்ட். ஓகே 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 ஃபைன். நல்லா இருக்கும், இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருக்கும். ஓகே ஃபைன். லெட்ஸ் மூவ் டு திஸ் நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்ட். Got it? Because I am preparing for I'm also studying artificial intelligence as well as the data science plus machine learning algorithms. I'm doing my certifications from NPTEL lectures. Thank you. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next question. Let's see. Okay. Within Before to the 12 o'clock, we can end the lectures. Okay. Health is important for us, for yourself, and also for me also. Okay. Health is important. So if the 12 o'clock reached, we can end the session. Okay. Let's see on next tomorrow. So this must be the, I hope this must be the final. Yes. ஆமாப்பா ஆமா 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 இன்னும் 10 நிமிஷம் தான் இருக்கு. This must be the final question. Okay. Let's see. Mark the correct statements. So the four options that they have given. The magnitude of the velocity of the particle is equal to its speed. The magnitude of average velocity in an interval is equal to average speed in that interval. It is possible to have a situation in which the speed of the particle is always zero, but the average speed is not zero. It is possible to have a situation in which the speed of the particle is never zero, but the average speed in an interval is zero. So, guys, you have a justice. You need to think, you need to relate in your practical life these type of cases. So let's see how to arrive this type of questions. The first option is think, but they have asked only the correct statements. The magnitude of the velocity of the particle is equal to its speed. Yes, sure. It's correct only, no? Because let's consider the two quantities. One is speed as well as velocity. What's the difference between these two, guys? Let's answer, please. Could you please tell what's the difference between the speed and velocity in terms of quantities or whatever may be? Could you please list it out what the difference between the speed and velocity? Difference between the speed as well as the velocity. The one word is enough for me. I don't want the blah 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 explanation. I just need a one word, single crisp point. Could you please, anybody else? Agilan, do you know what's the difference between the speed and velocity? Just in terms of quantity only. What are the two types of quantity? Not fundamental, in apart from fundamental and derived. I'm just asking what type of quantities? Speed as well as velocity. Speed is a dash quantity, vector is a dash quantity. This is a major base. Very good. Fine. ஒரு ஃபயரை போடு, ஒரு ஃபயரை போடு, ஏடி 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 ஸ்கொயர் அந்த மாதிரி தான் ஃபயரை போடு. ஓகே ஃபைன். Let's see. Here, the speed is a scalar quantity, okay? But the velocity is a vector quantity. Got it? Speed is scalar quantity, but the velocity is a vector quantity. So, by the way, how can we justify? For example, if I travel to my friend's home, it's about 5 kilometers, but it is expressed in terms of speed only. But in terms of velocity, I will say 5 kilometer east or 5 kilometer west, 5 kilometer north or 5 kilometers south. That's all. So in terms of direction, I mentioned it's a vector quantity. Got it? Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Is my statement is right or wrong? Guys, is my statement is right or wrong? For yes, fine. So let's see. So just we need only the magnitude. So they just only ask the magnitude. Here the 5 only the magnitude. Here the 5 only the magnitude. So option is A. That's all. So we don't need to ignore other option also. We can also see all the other options. The magnitude of average velocity in an interval is equal to average speed in that interval. The magnitude of average velocity in the interval is equal to the average speed in that interval. Okay, fine. Here it may varies. How can we say? How can we say? Because the average velocity is nothing but is entirely different from average speed. That's the theory behind your NCRT book. Okay. Let's see. So this option does not exist. It is possible to have a situation in which the speed of the particle is always zero, but the average speed is not zero. How is it possible? Speed is a micro quantity, but average speed is a macro quantity. If the micro quantity results in zero, then macro absolutely got it. If the micro results in zero, macro is also. If the micro results in zero, macro is also. Guys, answer please. If the micro quantities results in zero, macro is a constituent of micro quantity zero. Let's very good. Got it. So it results in zero. Here they have given not zero. It is false. It is possible to have a situation in which the speed of the particle is never zero, but the average speed in the interval is zero. Ulta. Suppose if average speed in the interval is zero, speed is never zero. How is it possible? Average speed in the interval is zero. Yeah, the situation may arise, but it is not compulsory that speed is never zero. Got it? It is not compulsory that speed of the particle is never zero. It may, but they have given must. So this case results in false. Only option A arise over here. Got it, guys? Got it? Any more doubts? Any more doubts? If you have doubts, you can ask me. Only 4 minutes left for this lecture. Okay. Okay. Okay, அகிலன் வாட்டர் ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ்லாம் எப்படி இருக்குது? Is that fine? No problem, no? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Bob. Okay, thank you. Okay, Sunday நம்ம பார்க்கலாம் என்ன? அகிலன், Sunday we will meet on. Okay, fine. Okay, guys. Fine. Thank you. Good night. Good night to all. Okay. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night to all. Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you. பார்க்கலாம். Okay, guys. My other state friends, other country friends, whoever are watching or watched or going to watch this video, have a tremendous lecture in this part. Okay, you will enjoy this lecture in each and every part. I'm just trying to speak other than my own language. I hope my language is better, right? It's very easy to understand. Got it, Agilan? I hope it's very easy to understand. My whether my pronunciation got any trouble to understand. Whether my pronunciation is any trouble to understand. Is there any trouble to understand my English? Okay, fine. Thank you.